Miss Jowai hajar paule ka wada penman kam cibenta kasngi nengkong ka muka fiesta hawa sang lat mukla da khat lingut ki khlot ki wana kaleng ki rilom jaintia ki wada mikmat yo job ye ni inam ki wada wan na ki bon ki chnong kam na namdong nong jingi mo ka yaw mulong syangpung mukhep telu Jowai wa ki wide ki chnong yagani ga yakob da penman so kala de wasdang da ka blended ancestry traditional fusion hei wagi wachim benta da riam gi da ki riam tenre ka thai not is na do ki riam mizo ki yong ki penar ki yong khasi yong garo wa kiwi haga kalawa arwan da penman ya ka waste to wear sustainable round hei wada riam da ki riam wachna na ki mar wada khenjem tang wada pangkalaya ki chaki riam ki baj wa miat de wa pen kam da ki plastik ki klong plastik ki dvd snap kwai ki kot khu bor wa kiwi haga kalawa le ka watip kam ka long summer fun da penyu ya ki riam pengat wai hadin ini da jit prangut ki wo yo olai chakman wo jubab ye wa kali ki wa wan wo bichar hadin ini da jit wan sasangut ki wa hab wo jubab ye yukli I wa yato wa HIV AIDS nei liang ki wa bichar wa kantup ya ka Patricia Mokim ka Sweetie Pala Ujitesh Thagur ka Nonoi Ruoleng wa Urichan Periat da yobiang ki wo jit ya ka Emichwa Daka Ladia ka wakat prasnem Wyrta na kachnang mustem wo yo ka yaka pangsnget ka Miss Jowai arajar paule ka wada pendeng da ka Miss Jowai warim ka lamika pasa yay nam first runners up da yo da ka ribha mika rembai ka wana kachnang umulong wai ka wadang pure BA kat wa yay nam second runners up da yo da ka Salina Najiar ka wana yong pia Jowai ka wadang pure BSc ka Emichwa da wajop ya ka Miss Jowai da yo ka le wopsia yo yele sa ka mega Miss North East kawa job Miss Jowai da yo ka le ka song poisa ka chilak arpa hajar tengka kawa yo first runners up da yo ka nya phasan hajar tengka katwa kawa yo welewan da yo ka san pha hajar tengka da sam le ki subtitle he wa ye nam Miss Sustainable Ecotourism da yo da ka hati suja ye nam Miss Congeniality da yo da ka na irempe suyam ye nam Social Sensation Champion da yo da ka manda ka ru tengkan ye nam Miss Perfecten da yo da ka Emichwa Daka Ladia ye nam Miss Photogenic da yo da ka na irempe suyam ye nam Most Beautiful Skin da yo da ka Salina Najiar ye nam Most Beautiful Hair da yo da ka manda ka rutengkan katwa ye nam Miss Talented da yo da ka hati suja hagani ga yakob da emle ipen yoriam da ki butterfly clothing and accessories shillong wana ka saving threads ka waman ka thau AC kai sor wa hajwai kam wada kular da wan wo chimbenta de wa mi lang haransan da usidhat kupta wa ka Tejaswini Prakash ki wada penkemen ya ki pajba wada wan wo saki da yo ala irwai ichat na kalili sawian wa ki lokko ki toxic pony wa ki wide
what steps can be taken to ensure the tourism activities in Jaitia Hills are environmentally friendly?
Thank you, sir, for the question. You guys look lovely tonight. So my answer is first step is cleanliness is most important, and especially when people will be visiting the waterfalls, beautiful waterfalls here in Jaitia Hills, they should know how to keep it clean and do not litter around. And second step is by not throwing garbage when you're on your roadside or anything, but keep the locality clean, especially that. That's a short answer. Thank you.
In your view, how can the education system in Jaitia Hills better prepare students for the challenges of the modern workforce?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question, and a very good evening to our esteemed judges and everyone present here. In regarding to education, is the first step that we people should develop because it will shape not only ourselves but our community. So the first thing I would like to encourage young people, and not only young people but our mother, our father, to encourage their children to go further for education, because through education we will be able to achieve higher, whether in our community or in our personal life. Thank you.
Your question is, why do you believe it's crucial for beauty queens to advocate for environmental issues, particularly addressing global warming?
Thank you so much, sir, for your question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's crucial for beauty queen to advocate and to bring out the topic of global harmony, because we are living in a society, in a country, in a world where we are burdened. If not now, then when? As a beauty queen, I advocate for a harmonious blend between economic prosperity and environmental practices. And I believe each one of us, through a small act of kindness, we can positively impact the world around us. Thank you so much.
Very well, sir. Thank you, sir.
This was contestant number 1. What initiatives do you think can be taken to support individuals living with HIV and combat discrimination against them?
Thank you, ma'am, for your question. HIV or AIDS is a global phenomenon. It doesn't affect just one person, but we people as a person, as a society, we need to work together and prevent it now. And to encourage people to get tested, because early diagnosis and prevention is very crucial. Plus, to sanitize those people living with HIV is to believe in themselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Sir. Now, call for your top 5.
Miss Jowai, second runner-up is contestant number 7, Miss Alina.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.